the most awaited motorcycle that I am wishing to test ride was the Royal Enfield Himalayan. एडवेंचर का भूत भाई, एडवेंचर का भूत. एनीवेज वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेस्ट दिस मोटरसाइकिल ऑफ रोड. एक छोटी सी टेस्ट राइड होगी एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल माई ऑब्जर्वेशंस. मोस्टली आई विल बी कंपेयरिंग द मोटरसाइकिल टू द Dominar 400 because it's my daily driver. I will be testing this and will be comparing to that. In spite being an adventure motorcycle, the seat height is very low and very comfy. I need to adjust the mirrors. Mirrors are very small and this mirror is not providing the view I would want to watch. Okay, let's start the motorcycle. So it starts with a typical Royal Enfield thump and here we go. Motorcycle has an basic instrument cluster, very basic instrument cluster. We are going to try and U-turn here without keeping a foot down. And here we go. It does have an ABS which can be switched off with a little switch here. The throttle feels a bit jerky. Yes, it's a talking motorcycle. So the throttle feels a bit jerky at first gear. I don't know whether it's with a particular bike or not. So here we go over the bumps. So over the bumps compared to the Dominar 400, it feels very comfy and very soft as an adventure motorcycle should be. It gets a 21-inch front, 17-inch rear wheel. It has a good amount of torque when you open the throttle. ABS, does it have a slipper clutch? It might not be that much inspiring on the twisty roads and the corners as the Dominar 400. Okay, we should be taking a U-turn from here. Braking is okay. When if you compare it to Dominar 400, you might feel that inadequate, but it's okay. First of all, I would have been testing this motorcycle off the road where this motorcycle means to be ridden. Again on the corner, it does take the corner well, but 21-inch at the front, not the perfect recipe for the corner. That's the perfect recipe for the off-road, but it still stays very planted, and the most important thing, it stays very planted on the I stalled the motorcycle, oh my god. It stays very planted on the broken roads. Let's start it on this motorcycle. Look, you get absolute good amount of confidence when you saddle this motorcycle. You get an off-road knobby tires. If you know, I have ridden the Xpulse 200 and this motorcycle feels an bigger brother of the Xpulse. exhaust note feels throaty. So this was the short and very short and sweet test ride of the motorcycle. I don't even call this a review. I will only call this a small test of the motorcycle. The first impressions of me riding the motorcycle, of the first impressions of Dominar owner, Dominar 400 owner riding the Royal Enfield Himalayan for the first time. So yeah, hope you like this video. Hope you found this video useful. If yes, do check another first rides. I will meet you guys in the next vlog. Till then, ride safe and drive safe. Bye bye.